Today we are going to discussing about how to make a perfect soil for plants. We are going to preparing the Cocopeat and compost mix. I am giving the link of the Cocopeat making in the description. Compost is a great material for garden soil. The compost can help improve the plant growth. A good potting mix has the following characteristics: 1. Air porosity, 2. Water or moisture retention, 3. Nutrition, 4. Support, 5. Fluffy and lightweight, and 5th one is well drainage. Now we are going to preparing the mix by using compost and the Cocopeat. In the first step, you take appropriate amount of the compost and the Cocopeat. In the next step, you take the plastic dish for mixing the Cocopeat and the compost. Now take the equal amount of the Cocopeat into the dish and the equal amount of the compost is added to the dish. The Cocopeat is a natural fiber made out of a coconut husk. The extraction of the coconut fiber from husk give us this by the product called Cocopeat. The Cocopeat is a 100% natural growing medium, and the compost is made with the material such as leaves, shredded twigs, and kitchen scraps from plants. The Cocopeat has absolutely no nutritional in it, but has the excellent water retention capacity. It is added so that the container retain more moisture for the plants and it reduce the weight on your balcony, terrace. Cocopeat is available in a few forms, that is compressed block or loose uncompressed powder. Now I am giving in the link in the description. You can check it and make your own Cocopeat at home easily. After the proper mixing is done, you take the container and fill the container with the mix. You can easily grow your plants using this mix. It is a very efficient potting mix for your garden. If you are watching my video in first time, you don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also enable the bell icon. And don't forget to like my video if you are interested. Thanks for watching.